Today I bestow the essence of love upon everything. The law of the Lord is perfect, converting the soul. The statutes of the Lord are right, rejoicing the heart. The commandment of the Lord is pure, enlightening the eyes. Psalms 19:7-8. For the self-begotten one, the Father mind, perceiving his own works, sold into all love's bond, so that all might continue loving on for endless time, and that these weavings of the Father's light might never fail. But love will the God of mercy vouchsafe to those who believe and do the things be right. The Quran. The law of the Lord is perfect, and the law of the Lord is love. We are made perfect in the law when we enter into the communion of love with one another and with the invisible essence of life. Love is the fulfillment of the law. That is, we never can make the most perfect use of the law unless that use is motivated by God, by a sincere desire to express unity, harmony, and peace. We should not hesitate to express our appreciation for people, things, and events. There is too little enthusiasm about life. We sacrifice hope on the altar of unbelief and fail to extract the essence of reality from the invisible. Because we refuse to rejoice in our human relationships, love will not remain abstract. Its power of transmutation in human events comes only as we catch its vision and mold it into human experience. Today I bestow the essence of love upon everything. Everyone shall be lovely to me. My soul meets the soul of the universe in everyone. Nothing is dead. Everything is alive. Nothing is ugly. Everything is beautiful. Everything is meaningful. This love is a healing power, touching everything into wholeness, healing the wounds of experience with its divine balm.